The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm.
For severe weather alerts in September.
Northwestern Boone County, Clinton County, Central Montgomery County, Eastern Tippecanoe County, Northwestern Howard County.
Whoa!
Until 5:30
This is
p.m.
awesome.
Eastern Standard Time. At 4:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Brookston to 7 miles south of Lafayette to 9 miles southwest of Crawfordsville, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Frankfort, Crawfordsville.
TV just went off for a severe thunderstorm warning.
Rostow, Thorntown, Dayton,
Lafayette.
Ground, Mulberry, Darlington, Linden, Colfax, Clarksville.
Well, it's approaching us and we're about 70 miles away.
Town and Yeoman.
And it doesn't show any sign of weakening.
The following highways. The National Weather Service in Northern Indiana issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Miami County, Indiana, Wabash County, Indiana, Eastern County, Indiana, until 6 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles northwest of Mexico to 6 miles southwest of Walton, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
That was weird.
Source,
The tones aren't going off correctly.
impact, expect
That's why my weather radio didn't go off. Girls, with belly tones.
Bunker Hill around 5:35 p.m. Peru and Mexico around 5:40 p.m.
Oh,
Wabash around 5:50 p.m.
TV should go off at any second.
Severe thunderstorms include Peoria, Somerset, Noka, Lago, Serbia, New Waverly, Onward, Urbana, Lincoln, and Erie.
No, it doesn't.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana, Miami, and Wabash. This is NOAA Weather Radio. Lows in the mid-30s. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Johnson County, northwestern Monroe County, Morgan County, eastern Boone County until 6:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located northeast of Spencer.
Actually, that's more or less a line.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martinsville, Mooresville, Spencer, Ellisville, Bargersville, Brooklyn, Trafalgar, Morgantown, Gulfport.
This is the fourth alert today. I declare this a miniature severe weather event. But I actually am a big severe weather.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m.
First yo, short legs.
For the following counties in Indiana, Johnson, Monroe, Warren, and Odin. Just outside Indiana, at Lima, Ohio, it was clear with a temperature of 71. Until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Colder at 5:40 p.m. Central Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 to 10 miles west of Mooresville, moving at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to your home, roofs,
Oh, crap! This is Ghost Marion!
Texas include Indianapolis, Harley, Fishers, Noblesville, Tweedwood, Lawrence, Plainfield,
This is gonna slam us.
Zionsville, Speedway, Southport,
It's gonna directly slam us.
Summerlin, McCordsville, Pittsburgh, Whitestown, and Sheridan.
Hail is not to make it sound this evening. Mainly it's winds and isolated tornadoes. Speaking of the threat for isolated tornadoes, I'm surprised they haven't issued a tornado. Here we go! Okay.
County, Delaware County, Northern Shelby
Severe
County,
thunderstorm
until
warning.
7:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Let's go up on
6:30
TV
p.m.
in a
Eastern
second.
Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elwood to 9 miles east of Greenwood, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat.
EAS pretty 8 as well.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Hamilton County, Hancock County, southeastern Tipton County, northern West County, Randolph County, Madison County, Henry County, Delaware County, northern Shelby County, until
Let's go up on TV, which would make us at EAS pretty 8.
6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elwood to 9 miles east of Greenwood, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60
Wait,
miles
doesn't
per
that
hour
mean
wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following
this is the same line that
expects
we
damage
just
to
put
roofs,
thunderstorm
siding, and
advisory
trees.
on?
Locations impacted include Muncie, Anderson, Fishers, Noblesville, Lawrence, Greenfield, Newcastle, Elwood, Alexandria, Winchester, Albany, Yorktown, Cumberland, McCormickville, Pendleton, Fort Hill, Union City, Chesterfield, Ingalls, and Knighttown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 between mile markers 209 and 252. Interstate 70 between
Gonna go
mile
up on
markers
TV
94 and 133.
It includes Delaware County.